students, so the next topic that we are going to be looking at is rounding off. So there are two types of rounding off that you are going to be using in this course. The first one is significant figures. Significant figures given by this prefix. So if you are given a number 197,427 like this one, and you are asked to round this number to two significant figures. You are asked to round off this number to two significant figures. It means you have to remain with these two numbers. You have to remain with these two numbers. You look at the third number. Is the third number larger than 5? If it's larger than 5, the following number here, which is 9, it becomes 10. So our answer here is going to become 2. Since this is 10, another one is going to be put here. So it's 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 200,000. Another example, you might be asked to round this number to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. You might be asked to round this number to 3 significant figures. So you want to remain, it means you need to remain with these 3 figures. You look at the fourth number. Is the fourth number greater than 5? If it's greater than 5, if it's greater or lesser than 5, if it's less than 5, this number remains the same. If it's greater than 5, this number moves a unit up. So 4 is less than 5, which means these ones become 0 and this one remains 7. Which means the answer here to 3 significant figures, 7, these ones become 0. That's rounding off to 3 significant figures. Let's do an example. You might be given a decimal. Maybe it's a decimal, 0.34567. And you are asked to round this one. You are asked to round this one to 2 significant figures. Usually when they give you decimals, they ask you to round to decimal places. They ask you to round to decimal places. They will ask you to round this number to 2 decimal places. This is what you're going to do. You're asked to round to decimal places. You're asked maybe to round this one to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So you have your first decimal place, your second decimal place. This is the third decimal place. This is the one that you look at. So the third decimal place, if it's greater, it's 5 or greater, the next value is going to move a unit up. So this is 5. It's greater than 5. So this 4 is going to become a 5. The answer will be 0.35. This is rounding off to 2 decimal places. Also, in fractions, when it comes to fractions, they are also significant numbers. You have to be very, very careful with this one. You might have a decimal number like this one, and you're asked to round this one to 2 significant figures. So if you're asked to round off this one to 2 significant figures, you ignore these zeros and you start here. These are your figures. You start here and you look at 2 numbers. If you're asked to round this one to 2 significant figures, you're asked to round this one to 2 significant figures. So you look at the first number. This will be your first number. You ignore these zeros. This will be your first number, your second number. So you need to remain with these 2 numbers. You look at the third number. If it's greater than 5, this one is going to move a unit upwards. That one is going to move a unit upwards. 8 is greater than 5, which means our answer is going to be 0.0038. That's how we round decimals to significant figures. That's how we round decimals to significant figures. So you have to be well acquainted with these methods of rounding off.